OPHIUCHUS, this is your channel messages for the 17th and 18th of June. OPHIUCHUS, your channel cards are Justice card, Aries, and Healing Heart. Okay, so OPHIUCHUS, I'm getting you're going to get justice for something that was done unfairly to you. It could have something to do with some type of ex, somebody who abandoned you. Okay, OPHIUCHUS is the old man, so I'm getting your justice is going to be brought in by an older man. Okay, we have Healing Heart here. So I'm getting your heart is about to heal, even though there's a dirty motherfucker who constantly wants you to be in the Three of Swords energy. Okay, Aries also rules the head, so they say that with maturity, with age comes maturity. So I'm getting the person who is about to give you justice. Me getting I can trust them. Me getting this is a very mature person. Me getting them have their heads on their body, and I'm getting they're not easily swayed. I'm not sure if somebody's an Aries or if they're a Libra, okay? But me getting justice is coming in for you. So if you had a terrible year when it comes on to dating, or I don't know, maybe you just had a lot of people who are cock blocking you, I'm getting that's about to change for you. Okay, let us go ahead and see what's in your energy. OPHIUCHUS. The healer. This could also talk about sexual healing, because me getting ever since your last relationship, I don't know if it's something like you don't want to be touched, or me getting you just disgust of being touched, of being pampered. I'm literally getting your disgust of being spoiled or something like that. But me getting again, you're going to get justice. You might get head, I won't lie. Me getting sexual healing, all right? But I'm getting, do not worry, do not fear. Whoever it is that wants you to be alone, stay alone, and just again being in a Three of Swords energy. Because I'm getting something terrible. I'm getting a lot of unjustful things have been done to you. And I'm getting when you're in a relationship, because you're usually the sweetest person. But you know, maybe you just attract narcissist energy because you're so sweet. But I'm getting justice is coming in for you. All right, let's go. I'm getting be open to receive. First card out is the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting you're single, or that's exactly how somebody wants you to stay. You need to stay single. All right, I'm not sure if this has something to do with the last person you dated. Okay, because me getting ever since whatever happened to you, you just decide I don't want to be touched, I want to stay single. That is true, but when you are single, you have to understand that you're going to attract the energy of suitors. It's your job to just choose the right suitor. All right, so I'm getting you single, you're beautiful. Maybe somebody was trying to curse you to stay that way. You're so beautiful, so if they can't have you, nobody else can. We have the Moon card, we have the Death card, we have the Ten of Pentacles, and we also have the World card. Literally getting somebody's like, you have to stay single or I'm gonna kill you. You have to stay single or I'm gonna shoot you in your fucking face. You have to stay single or I'm going to break into your house and stab you up when you're sleeping. Me don't know if the threats are being said to you directly, or me getting little things are happening to you where you feel unsafe and you're like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. Because me getting somebody a pick on you because you're single. You might don't have a man, you might don't have a backative, and that's why them doing this to you. We have a Death card here. Somebody want you to change. Either they want you to change as in, you know what, I am never, ever, ever trusting anybody else again. Or they want you to change as in, do you fear for your safety? Because you're a single, beautiful woman. I mean, surely you have nobody here. So I'm getting if somebody can make you fear for your safety, then probably you can run back in their arms. But I'm getting that's the person who is doing all of this shit to you. We have the Moon card here. So I'm getting you now open up. Somebody want you open up to them. Maybe after somebody did you something dirty, them want you reach out to them for fucking help. Right? We have a Death card in the Ten of Pentacles. Now this can talk about your family. Your family may be doing this to you. Maybe your family wants you to be with a certain suitor. And you're like, fuck no. You don't get to determine who suck my pussy. You don't get to determine who turn my back ways and fuck me. That's not your choice. So we're getting something like that. And then we have the world card, which is completion. So we're getting a single. You might be a very fertile at childbearing age. I'm getting you don't have no responsibilities. I'm not sure if the person you used to date had a lot of responsibilities and they were envious because, again, you had nothing to worry about. But I'm getting somebody want to keep you single. I'm getting somebody want to keep you single until August, or somebody want to keep you single for a year. I don't see that happening. I'm getting I'll get justice. Or I'm getting a meet a OPHIUCHUS archetype. Because the Ten of Pentacles is an older man, you see? So I'm getting something about a baby here. The woman in this depiction seems young. I'm not sure if it's her baby with this older man, or the older man already have a child and you're going to become a stepmother. But I'm getting something. I'm getting the next encounter for you is going to last a year, or that's what this person is speculating. Because I'm getting a single, you're beautiful. I'm getting you don't open up to a lot of people, but I'm getting it's because of how your last situationship ended. Like somebody when you're scared for being with somebody else. I'm getting you break up with somebody, you stop talking to somebody, but somebody when you're scared. So them out fucking, them out doing what they want to do, them abandon you, ignore you, but them want you to be scared and say, you know what, I don't want to move on in case the person I used to date no. Man, fuck that bitch. The fuck? Nine of Pentacles is clarified by the moon card again. See? Double moon. Double fucking moon. We're getting something about a Pisces. Or something about women. Maybe somebody's doing this to you so you can fuck woman. And you know, June would be the perfect time for you to come out. I don't see that happening. I'm getting you strictly dickly and you like it that way. Somebody gonna tell you, oh, if I see you with another man, I'm gonna fuck you up. But if you're fucking a girl, oh, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah. I used to date a guy, he was okay with lesbianism, but he wasn't okay with cannabis smoking. And I'm like, you go, like, you a foul motherfucker. You okay with lesbians, you okay with two girls sucking and scissoring each other, but you're not okay with cannabis smoking. Yeah, I'd never fuck you again. We have the double moon card here. Come getting somebody want you to stay to yourself. We have the seven of swords, yeah. Or maybe somebody will try to break into your house and thief something so you can fear for your safety. So the four of wands here, it is the home, all right? Because I'm getting you being stalked or you're being picked on because you won't fuck somebody or you won't call them back. But I'm getting you to move on. I'm getting this older man that come into your auric field. The death card is clarified by the judgment. Because somebody, I don't know if, again, because you're single and you're so beautiful, somebody's like, you see, after me, I bet you she turned lesbian. After me, I bet you she never look at a man again. I'm getting you ain't looking at no pussy. Ten of Pentacles is clarified by the Devil card, yeah. I'm not sure if you're going to be with a Capricorn. Because I'm getting, again, this older man, the next man you're there with, I'm getting you're there with him for at least a year. Because I'm getting somebody is highly sexually attracted to you. I'm getting somebody is very much, it could be obsession, but I'm getting obsession in a way as in them don't want to let you go. Them don't want to leave you alone. Them always want to spend time with you no matter how much time. The Capricorn is pure with the Ten of Pentacles. So that means, again, you're going to meet somebody who is very much into you, sexually, spiritually, emotionally. I'm getting, is this a Capricorn? Yeah, Capricorns will spoil you. Capricorns will spoil the fuck out of you. I'm getting, this is what somebody tries to keep you away from. Having a suitor, having somebody who will protect you, having somebody who you can... For just make you feel as beautiful as you are. Me getting your last relationship, somebody swear on them fucking mother's womb that after them finish with you, you will be fucking girls. Good try. The World card is clarified by the Eight of Cups. Yeah. We have a Justice card again. Justice card. Your channel message was a Justice card. Me getting I get justice. Whatever that was done unfairly to you, Even if you made, because me getting whatever somebody did to you, you made them walk. You never create a scene. You never rat them out. You never even said anything about the situation. Me getting because you know you deserve better. That's why. Had you feel like you deserve this person, then you would have been lashing out, complaining, cussing, doing all type of shit because you felt that you were unfairly treated. Me getting you know your worth, and you know that you wouldn't want to be with somebody who was treating you that way. Me getting you gonna meet is either a Libra or Aries. Me getting you gonna meet an Emperor, and you're gonna be something about an Aries, Libra. This is Capricorn is here strongly. Yeah, me getting to meet this person who is very much obsessed with you. Me getting sexual healing. That's what this is about. So again, something maybe you feel like you'll never get over somebody. But me getting that's what their plan was. For you to not get over them. For you to never ever... For you to just be like, you know what? I'm just done. I'm done with everything. I just want to focus on me. Okay, well now you're gonna meet a man who wants to focus on you too. We have Aquarius. I'm getting this man wants to show you off. He want 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 to show you off. He gonna show you off. Something different about you. Love it when you lick on your tattoos. Baby, that's you. Suck a little dick in the bathroom. Boys be mad because I don't take insults. Girls hate too. Guns to their pigtails. I love you. I'll split a big bill. Take me around the world. They don't have to understand. Rub it in their face. Put a rock on her hand. Baby, you just cap so hard. And you're just crazy. Why are you capping like that, baby? You just cap so hard. And it's just terrible. Why are you capping? Kissing and hope they cut us, whether they likes or not. He want to show you off. He want to show you off. He want to show you. No, let me tell you. You know what this reminds me of? And I'm not saying this is you. You know that girl? She was really, really foul. The girl was saying, you know you're perfect. You're always worth it. You remember that girl that was with that guy? That was way... Remember that meme with a girl and she was this black girl and she was dating this white guy? And then she was saying, cause girl, you're perfect. You're always worth it. And the guy come and hug her. You did she fuck up the Weeknd song. The Weeknd, every single thing the Weeknd has ever worked for, that girl fuck up the song in one TikTok video. And now you're perfect. You're always You should know. Sometimes I like my men to be grands. Just like how I like my money. Grands. I'm going to leave it here. No? Aquarius? Did we finish? Okay, I'm sorry. I got distracted with Doja Cat. We have curse, yeah. Somebody wanted to curse you to stay alone. Single. You're gonna stay alone in the nights, stay alone in the days, and you're just gonna be so tired with men that you're just gonna start eating pussy. Or getting your pussy eaten by another woman. But I'm getting, sweetie, that was not in the forecast. That was not in the forecast when it comes on to the fucking machine that controls the fucking weather. We have Pisces. Yeah, we have double moon. So it could be a Pisces trying to do this to you. Because we're getting somebody rather see a lesbian. I don't know what this is. Either one woman who like you or one Pisces who rather see a lesbian than seeing you with a man. Alright, I'm not sure what it is. Maybe the Pisces is like lesbian or gay. So they want to see you gay. Don't know what it is. But all I know is you're going to suck a little dick in the bathroom. Woo! One more. We have illness. And we have the soul was soul. Somebody really think them with corner you, or you're going to be so scared. They're going to bully you out. You can't blood clot bully me out of this. You can't bully me out of this. And you can't bully me into fucking a woman. You should fucking know that. So I'm sorry if you were the type to be bullied into fucking the same sex. Usually that's not how lesbianism or gayness goes. And it's June. So I'm getting, today is what? The 15th. Somebody have 30 more days. So make you eat pussy. But I'm getting according to your reading, sweetie, your pussy is about to be eaten. I'm going to leave it here, OPHIUCHUS. Until next time, goodbye.